A collection of churn reports delivered by MetricsCube grants you the possibility to monitor the loss of clients, subscriptions, or revenue. You're just a few clicks away from analyzing these critical factors for your WHMCS business. In order to access MetricsCube churn reports once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports tab from the main menu. Next, click on the Churn category. As you can see, MetricsCube allows you to keep close tabs on the most essential parameters, such as revenue churn, subscription churn, as well as customer churn. If you wish to have a snapshot of how your company was doing over the last 30 days, take a glance at churn rate reports located on the right. At the top of the page, there are two date pickers that enable you to set the time period of displayed reports. The second picker allows you to compare the data with ease. You can also change the way the statistics are provided. Simply move to the right from the second date picker and define if the data should be presented for each day, week, or month. If you have any doubts, you may quickly review a short description for each type of the churn reports. All you need to do is hover the mouse over the icon to find out more about a particular report. Moreover, there's a link that will redirect you to our blog post, which will give you an even deeper understanding of churn by discussing its most common reasons, as well as how to counter them. Once you're back on the main list, you can click on any specific churn report to enter its more detailed section. In this video, we'll examine in depth the Subscription Churn Report, which stands for a number of lost subscriptions of recurring products, add-ons, and domains. The first element that you can make use of is the Filter button located next to the date picker. To get a deep insight into the fundamental information, you can set several filters at once. Please remember that there are different filters for each of the churn reports. You can easily remove the filters that are of no further use by clicking on the Close button. Moreover, there's the possibility to compare subscription churn rates over various periods of time. For your convenience, you can add up to 5 different comparison periods. Summed values for the chosen comparison periods will be displayed below the visual graph. With the use of our innovative tool, you can easily collate data by other parameters. Proceed to the Compare button and select one of the available filters. As presented in the video, you may compare subscription churn by product groups. Now, apart from the visual graph, you'll find the summary table below. It displays data grouped by specific criteria. For example, subscription churn can be sorted by products churn. What's more, if you're looking for a particular record, you may just start typing in the search box to see the results. There's also the possibility to sort the table, for example, by the value. The table presents multiple periods from the date frames selected on the visual graph. As you can see, once you modify the date frame above, all changes will be visible in the table below. To make it even simpler, data can be exported not only from the graph, but also from the table below. Just decide if you need the PDF or CSV file. Each of the reports can be transferred to the Combine tool, which we'll discuss for you in another video. Some degree of churn is unavoidable, but with MetricsCube reports, you can take necessary action ahead of time and keep it at the lowest level possible. Steer the future of your company by forecasting churn rates with MetricsCube. Give it a go with a free 14-day trial at MetricsCube.io.